Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to remove yourself from Meta Business Suite. I'll be walking through this on the web version at business.facebook.com. First, you need to get into Business Settings. On your Meta Business Suite dashboard, click the All Tools icon. Then, under the Manage Business column, click the gear icon that says Business Settings. This will take you into the Administrative Hub, where you'll see a left-hand navigation menu. If you're part of multiple business accounts, use the drop-down menu in the top left corner to select the business you want to leave. The selected business name will appear at the top of the screen. If you're only part of one business, you can skip this step. Now, on the left-hand navigation menu, look for the Users section. Under Users, click on People. You'll see a list of everyone who has access to the business account. Find your name in that list and click on it. When you click your name, a Details panel will open on the right side, showing your access permissions and the assets you're assigned to. In the top right corner of that Details panel, click the Remove button. This will trigger a pop-up window warning you about what you're about to do. Read through the warning carefully. The pop-up will show you which business account you're leaving and what you'll lose access to, things like Pages, ad accounts, and Instagram accounts. If you're absolutely sure you want to leave, click the blue Remove button in the pop-up to confirm. Once you've confirmed, you'll immediately lose access to all assets connected to that business account. Here are a few things worth knowing. First, you'll receive a confirmation email from Meta letting you know you've been removed from the business account. Second, if you're part of other business accounts, you'll still have access to those. This only removes you from the specific business you selected. Third, and this is critical, if you're the last admin on the account, Meta won't let you remove yourself. You'll need to add another person and grant them admin access first. If you don't, the account and all its assets could become permanently inaccessible, so handle that before trying to leave. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.